Sri Krishna, Sri Krishna, Sri Krishna, Sri Krishna. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. All of us live the knowledge that we have. Like the foundation on which this Amrutanubhava is based is, there is nothing but the reality, the truth, the existence, the unqualified existence. And on that existence, many varieties may appear, and that may create an illusion of otherness. What we say in Vedanta, Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma. Everything is Paramatma, nothing else. This is the principle. And with this principle, the Jivan Mukta Purush, the wise man, live. Now, what is that which is common in all our experiences? Our experiences have got three components: world of experience, the experiencer, and the experience. Now, in this, the world of experience is not suffering or enjoying. The experience is that of whatever is. So the red color is the red color. It is not suffering or enjoying. Now the experience that it is the red color, it is. You can't do anything about it. Then the third factor, I, the seer of the red color. See? So if I am a driver in Mumbai, I will have the different meaning of red color. And if I am a driver in Delhi, then Delhi people, when they see red color on the traffic signal, like the bull, they charge. See, friends, one child was asked, what is the meaning of green color? Go. What is the meaning of red color? Stop. Very good. What is the meaning of yellow color? Go fast. He is experienced directly. So, the object, you can't do anything. The experience, you can't do anything. And both of them have no problem. Problem is with the experiencer. Therefore, these three things are different, but they have to be recognized properly. See? So what is the common factor in the three? Experience world, experience of the world, and experiencer. Three. So the one has become three. This we have to digest. How the one can become three? See? The object of experience is Satta, existence. the experience of the object is satta, existence. The experiencer of the object is satta, the existence. Now, if there is no experiencer, what will be the position of the experience and experienced? Zero. So, the experiencer himself is expanding into experience and the experienced. Therefore, this Triputi, what we call, should not have impact on the experiencer. Because it is the same thing which is expanding. This point is recognized by the Jivan Mukta Purush. Therefore, they lead their life in the relative world with the Triputi, and yet they are functioning from a different standpoint. Our standpoint is what? There is a misery, I am miserable. The standpoint of the wise man, there is a misery, I experience the misery, but I am not a miserable person. So, there are two things. One is the experience of the misery, and second is a miserable entity born or not? It is our choice. This choice is exercised by the wise man through wisdom. See? And wisdom doesn't come from books. Wisdom doesn't come from guru. Wisdom comes when we are able to learn from our own experiences. Nobody can teach us anything. But if we are ready and able to learn from our experiences, even God cannot stop. This is known by the Jivan Mukta Purusha, the wise Mahatmas. And therefore, what is their vision? Pahe pa avagheya, rukha rukachi yaya, paritohi dusariya, vistare jevi. Rukha means vriksha. This is, a different type of pronunciation, like Sahasrashirsha Purusha. So, in some of the Vedic things, they chant Sahasrashirsha Purukha. So, the kha is here. Pahe pa avagheya rukha rukachi yaya. When a tree is growing, when it grows, it becomes a sprout, then it becomes a trunk, then the branches, then the leaves, then the flowers, then the fruits, then the seeds. It has expanded. Does it mean it has become many? Only one. But when our attention is on the branches, the flowers, then we will be talking about many. But in and through, there is one common factor, that tree. Exactly. Urdhvamulamadasyakam ashvatham prahuravayam chandamsi yasya parnani yastam veda savedavid. In 15th chapter Gita, as well as in Kathopanishad, this mantra comes. And the world is expanded through the simile of the tree. And you go on imagining, the world, then there are three worlds. It is the Bhur, Bhuva, Swaha, Mahajanatapa, Satyam, and the lower worlds, Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Rasatala, Mahatala, and there is the hell and there is the heaven. Oh God, a big picture is created in front of us. And in the third verse, Bhagavan Krishna takes a pin and punches the balloon. What he says? Na rupamasseha tathopalabhyate nanto na chadir nata sampratishta ashvattamenam suvirudha moolam asanga shastrena dridena chitva. Don't try to see the world like this. Why? Na antaha na madhya. Nanto na chadi nadasam pradishta. This world of 14 tiffin boxes, one above, is nowhere. See? Narupamasya tatho valabhyate. Neither the beginning, nor the center, nor the end. Now, which is this world? This world is not outside. Urdhva moolam adhashakam. We eat from above, start growing below. Or start growing sideways. Urdhva moolam adhashakam. Now, because it is expanded, has it become many? It's only one. Then the multiplicity, the duality, the manyness, the dvandva, the complementary opposites, they should not be taken seriously. That is the meaning. Therefore, pahe pa avagheya ruka rukachi yaya paritohi dusariya vistare kevi jevi. So from one tree, the tree has grown, the fruits, the seeds have come. Again from the seed, again you start. So has anything happened? Is something is created or destroyed? No. It is akhanda satta. See? It is an unbroken existence. Wise people or Mahatmas are living in this akhanda satta. And for that we are told again and again, the truth is nirvishesha satta, non-specific existence. And we all experience it when we are snoring away in deep sleep. Tatra mata amata bhavati, tatra pita apita bhavati. Brihadaranyaka says, in deep sleep, we are nobody, we are nowhere, we are never. Time, space, object disappear. That which is existing in the absence of all the three parameters, time, space and object, that is the ultimate truth. This is recognized and lived by the wise men. But we are all miserable as that which do not exist. We are miserable as husband, wife, brother, father, sister, mother, in-law, outlaw. Where are they? Again and again work on it. When you are standing in front of the mirror, after your fight with your husband, stand in front of the mirror. Don't break the mirror, okay? And then look at the mirror. Now, is that reflection in the mirror real? No. How the reflection has come? Because of the reflecting media, the mirror. Very good. Clear? Yes. Now, take another mirror. What is the mirror? Husband. Stand in front of the husband. The moment you stand in front of the husband, a reflection of the wife appears. Don't take wife seriously. Continue to remain as a girl or a woman. Now tell me which Mrityunjay mantra you want. Therefore, our condition is like a child insisting, I want the reflection of the moon from the waters. Please fish it out. What can be done? Two options. Give him one. See? That is called a divorce. And the second one is, don't take him or her seriously. Okay. Baad mein karenge. Never deny. Always say yes and do whatever you have to do. Your life will be at peace. Aho mugi muga matra jaise kheta na navalana se kele deva pade taise dohi pari. This is another beautiful example. If a person is dumb, he has no speech, and therefore he decided, I am going to observe Maunam. Whether you observe mauna or you are dumb, meaning is the same. Exactly the same way. The wise person is, whether there is a chaos or there is a silence, doesn't make any difference. Meaning, in the chaos, he doesn't become disturbed, and in the silence, he is not lonely. See, friends, we don't have to do anything. Be lazy of the highest order. Therefore, the wise man, whether he is expressing in this world, doing something or not doing, it makes no difference. See, in Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan says, Yastvatmaratirev syat atmatruptascha manavaha atmanneva cha santushtaha tasya karyam na vidyate. The one who is abiding in his divine self, for him there are no obligations. Therefore, whether he is functional and useful to the society or he is not, it makes no difference, because he is not there. When we understand this standpoint of the wise man, that becomes our spiritual practice. See? But our standpoint, we don't want to change. One man, he asked this question, Swamiji, why God created this world? I said, there are two options. One option is, ask God. He created, I didn't create. Why do you ask me? I didn't create. See? Or second thing is inquire. Now, why you are asking this question? There is so horrible things happening in the world. So what is the standpoint of the wise man when it was not happening? There is nothing new, even one thing in this world ever happened. Yatha purvam akalpayat. The world is nothing but repetition, the same thing. See, friends. And this is known by the wise man, and therefore he is not interested in making the world happy, nor he is creating the chaos in the world. Because for him, there is no other. And that is why wise people keep quiet. There is no point in fighting with the dumb people. Yes, very good, very good. This I learned from one Pahadi. He was the driver. Ram Singh was his name, I still remember. When you talk to him, Ram Singh, we have to go to that place, and he will not listen anything. Ram Singh, yes, ho jayega. Kya ho jayega? I have not spoken anything, but he will say, ho jayega. Re? I have found he is the best person. See? Therefore, don't worry about this. ऐसा ही है, चलता रहेगा. अखताची देवता अखतीची असे न पूजिता मा अखती कायाता जुजावी. You must have seen in the when they do puja. I always enjoy this puja, watching from a distance. See? Suvarna pushpartham akshatam samarpayami. Lord Shiva says, धोखा दे रहा है. See? For everything you give that, they say it is akshata. Akshata means a complete grain. Kshatam is broken. Akshatam is complete grain. But when you go to the market and ask, supari, give the supari. What for you want? For puja or for eating? There are different rates. Puja, very cheap. Similarly, akshata. What for you want? For puja, wo le lo. They even don't look at it. So here the teacher says, if the goddess is made out of the rice ball, and then it is worshipped by the rice, and does it mean because of this that rice has become many? No. And therefore, for the wise man, he is experiencing the non-dual experience, and therefore there is neither sin nor merit. He is beyond all the relativity. दीप्तीची लुगडी दीपकळी केतू वेढी हे न म्हणता ते उघडी ठाके काही. We tell the flame, hey, Miss Flame, kindly cover yourself with the cloth of a fire. So when she does that, we don't see that cloth of fire covering the flame. Does it mean she is naked? Meaning what? Adding something or taking away something has no value, no meaning for the wise man, and therefore he is at peace. We all prove something to somebody. Friends, this is one of the most difficult thing to give up. Never struggle to prove anything to anybody in this world. We are not obliged. Once I was with one Jain Amma, very sweet lady. I went there, did namaskar. And then she was having some bhajan kirtan. So she said, oh, Swamiji has come, now we will have Shastrartha. We'll discuss something. So I did namaskar to her. I said, Mama, Shastrartha is done with the wise people. I am otherwise. I know nothing. But then how come you are Swami? Mistakes happen in the world. I am one of that blunder, not mistake. I am a blunder. Oh, I thought, you are coming, we will have nice Shastrartha. See, friends, one gets intoxicated in arguments and logic. And what is the intoxication? He told, I defeated him. See, friends, accept the world as it is. Most important thing in the world is our peace of mind. Don't compromise with that, with anything in this world. Because ashantasya kutas sukham. A disturbed person can never be happy. Ka chandrati chandrika na manije tuleka tari to asika tayasi china. So when the moon is covered by its own light, does it mean that the moon and the moonlight are separate? Agi pana agi asatachi ase angi ka kasaya lagi dene na dene. Similarly, the fire is hot, so the heat of the fire, does it create otherness in the fire? Mhanoni bhajata bhajave ma na bhajata kayanave aise nahi svabhave Sri Vishu Shivuchi ase. In the same manner, will the eyes be able to see themselves? No. Therefore, the eyes are blind. The wise man is not sitting and doing Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. He is not doing. Does it mean he is a sinner? See? Because to Shivuchi ase, he himself is divine. And therefore, Manoni bhajata bhajave. So, we should go and chanting the Lord's name. See? And if he is not doing the bhajan, he is a sinner? No. Because Swabhave Sri Shivuchi ase. He is essentially the divine. And therefore, we do not thank ourselves, isn't it? The finger has gone and helped the eye to console. It's okay. Is it thank you, dear? No. So, all activities will happen, but these formalities will not happen. Try, therefore, one thing. I know you will not try, but I tell. And that is what? Thank you. Thank you means you cut there. See, the modern digital parents, how they deal with their digital children? In the today's world, the position of the father is taken by Google. Anything you want to ask, Google ko pucho. Google. And whatever you want, go to Amazon, Amazon. And therefore the children are not born. They are downloaded. And then they are given the ID and the password. So all theoretical life. Therefore, if the child has done something, give one heart and then after, oh, I am sorry. Why sorry? You have the right to hit the child. This is in India I am talking. Those who are imported NRI, don't do that. You will be behind bar in no time. See? Because that is a free country where the parents have no right on their children. So, Jivan Mukta Purush is being discussed at length, so many ways. At least one thing should click us. Ata, now the other part. Ata Bhakti, Abhakti, Zale Tata Eke Pati, Karma Karma Chiyavati, Malla Uniya, and therefore the devotion, the devotee and the devoted, they are no more separate. All theoretical things disappear in life. Can you love theoretically? Narad Bhakti Sutra says, what is prema? Anirvachaniya prema swarupam. Satu asmin parama prema rupa. An anirvachaniya prema swarupam. You cannot define what is the meaning of love. Normally, honey, darling, chewing gum, that is called as a love expression. One love expression, I tell you, you will never know it anywhere in the world. That family was from Pahad, Himachal Pradesh. And the child was very cute. Naturally, all children are cute. All the parents have this, Swamiji, isn't my baby very cute? I said, yes. गधे के बच्चे भी बचपन में अच्छे दिखते हैं. That is the truth. Next time you see a donkey baby, looks so cute, isn't it? So, that mother is to call her daughter, could you imagine? Bengan ka bharta. Punjabis cannot think beyond Bengan ka bharta. The delicacy in any Punjabi house is Bengan ka bharta. See? So, she used to call, Mera Bengan ka bharta, and squeeze her. Time passed, she became grown up, marriage. And I went for that marriage. And she saw me, I am coming. She left everything around that puja, whatever was going on, came running. Everybody thought she came to hug me and love me. No, she put her hand on my mouth. Swami, you don't call me by that name. You know that. Otherwise, in the marriage, she will be declared Bengan ka bharta throughout life. Adirvachaniya prema swarupam. See, there is no definition how the love expresses. See, friends, giving the bitter medicine under compulsion by the mother to the child is love. See? Not giving too much of chocolates, even if the child cries, is love. See, friends, therefore, devotion, no devotion. It has no meaning in the absolute. Similarly, the karma, akarma, all these things. So, japa, dhyana, dharma, karma, meditation, etc. has no value in the truth. Now tell me, you are, so what sadhana will you do? Therefore, we told you, our group, our satsanga, is what? It is not a free Bollywood dance invitation. It is not a hospital. It is not a temple. It is a gym. Who goes to the free Bollywood dance? Bhogi. To the hospitals? Rogi. To the temples? The kami, desirers. And who goes to the gym? Those who are healthy and want to maintain their health. If any one of us has come here I will go attend the satsang. Thereafter, my daughter-in-law will listen to me. And she also has come. She also has the same thing. See, friends, no. You will get nothing. Na kuch pana, na kuch khona. With this freedom, when you live your life, you are somewhere near this Jivan Mukta Purusha. Ata bhakti abhakti, jale tate eke padi, karma akarma chayavati, malla uniya. All these things, karma, akarma, vikarma, then dharma, enough is enough. Therefore, for the Jivan Mukta Purusha, all these differences have no value. Manoni Upanishade Dashe de Yeti Ninde Ninda Chivishade Stotre Hoti. And therefore, all the Upanishads, they talk about the Jivan Mukta Purusha, the pure self, is actually not required. See? Why the Upanishad has to tell that, oh, Jivan Purushas are great? It doesn't depend on anybody's certification. You must have seen in the latest spiritual world of India, Swami Anubhavanandaji, Padma Vibhushan, Hare Rama. See? Padma Bhushan. Is it a government recognition? See? Swami Anubhavanandaji, Shrotriya Brahmanishta, Padma Bhushan, bracket, ex-IS officer. Satyanas. Hey friends, no need of recognition from anybody. In the life of a Jivana Mukta Purush, if we have to understand through some examples, is like that of a flower, full of fragrance. Doesn't go on distributing fragrance to anybody. Anybody comes, takes it, enjoys, goes. Other person comes, plucks it, take away, no problem. Because that flower has fragrance. The flower doesn't give fragrance. See, friends. Otherwise, we will get lost in this world, under the disguise of so-called spirituality. Therefore, lokeshana, putreshana, vitteshana, tyagapurvakam eva, freedom from all kinds of desires. And therefore, the wise man has nothing to do with all these things. Let it be there or not, who cares? Relax and be happy. And if you are happy, anybody coming around you will definitely experience happiness. You must have experienced this thing. When somebody comes to you, Are yaar, subah subah aa gaya ye. Why? Because that kind of, whether we should call it aura or the arrows, you must have experienced this thing. In our Tripura Rahasya, this story tells, when our Parshuramji was frustrated after killing 21 times the Kshatriyas, and then Bhagwan Ram defeated him, and then he becomes defeated, he becomes a sannyasi. Those who are good for nothing, they have two professions open. Politics or sannyas. To get into politics, you require guts. To get a sannyas, you require nothing. See? So, Parshuramji went there, and there was one Jivan Mukta Purush, nicely, comfortably lying and maybe chewing gum. So, in his presence, he experienced out of the world experience. He said, what I am experiencing, I never had this experience. What is this? Smilingly that master said, no, this is called Brahmananda. What is Brahmananda? Can you explain me? That which can be explained is not love. See? Maunam Vyakhya Prakatita Para Brahma Tattvam Yuvanam. That which is contaminated by the tongue is bluff. Those who of you know Hindi, tongue, whatever is touched by the tongue, it is called jhuta. Jhuta means a lie. See? You take a spoon and take some food, rice or anything, or some sweet, put in your mouth, take it out, the spoon. Then that spoon is not used by others. Why? Jhuta ho gaya. Why jhuta? Because it touched the tongue. Anything which touches the tongue is a bluff. Jhuta. Therefore, mauna vyakhya. नातरी निंदा स्तुति दोन्ही मौनासाठी जाती मौनी मौन आधी बोलता बोली. Therefore, whether somebody is glorifying these masters or condemning, both of them have the same value. And therefore, he doesn't get disturbed because somebody insulted, nor does he become very elated because somebody recognizes. No. Because this is all only words, words, words. Friends, I'll tell you one simple rule of life. Those who are condemning us today, tomorrow they will come and respect us. Those who are respecting us today, tomorrow they will come and condemn us. This is the law of nature. Before marriage, honey, darling, without you, I cannot live. After marriage, because of you, I cannot live. Why? The honey has become a chewing gum. Friends, घालिता अव्वा सवापाय शिव रात्राची होती जाय शिवा गेली याही नोहे केही जाणे. Therefore, every step of the wise man is being one with the divine. नैव किंचित करोमीति युक्तो मन्येत तत्ववित्. This is what we have been telling in different ways. Experience without experiencer, action without the doer, knowledge without the knower is the truth. And therefore, there cannot be abhiman of, I have studied Upanishad, I have studied Brahma Sutra, I have studied blah, 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 blah. All these things are happening. See, friend, we all have come here. Our contribution may be 0.01%. See, in the last Mahakumbha in our Prayagraj, one of my friend, he insisted me from UK. Gordon Brown is his name. Swamiji, I am going for that Kumbha and I didn't know what is Kumbha. No, you have to come and all that. So I said, okay, I'll come. Then I reached there. He came from London to Delhi. After landing there, he got a message from his daughter that his wife is admitted in ICU for some urgency. So immediately he has to go back. And for the first time, I attended that. Now tell me, he wanted to come, he could not. I never wanted to go, but I have to go. Where is our freedom? See, friends, we are just the dolls in the divine will. But we have that, I do like, no, jo thari raha hai, so mari raha hai. Relax. Take this principle if you want to be happy in your life. Never become the boss of the house. My Mahamantra I told you for the couples. When she is talking, you should keep quiet. When she is quiet, you should not talk. There will be ceasefire. Otherwise, there is no end to that. See? Therefore, घालता अव्वा सव्वा पाय शिवरात्रची होती जाय. Therefore, every step the wise man moves around, he is moving in the divine. See, what is the meaning of moving in consciousness? Moving in consciousness means living at zero desire level. And we do that when we are in deep sleep. Moving in consciousness. What is the reason for our happy experience in the deep sleep? Only one, we are not finite. Second, there is no sense of otherness. When these two things are there, a sense of being finite and a sense of otherness, these two things, when they marry, the baby is called as desire. Think. Otherwise, why a happy, intelligent, educated, smart, healthy boy think, what a life without a wife? Desire. See? Then, after that desire is fulfilled, then other desire comes. What? What a life because of the wife. Other desire, separate. If you see our life is what? Get, live, nothing more than that. Therefore, here the wise man is ever in this world, whether he is getting something or not getting, going anywhere or in his own place, for him everything is the same, movement or no movement are equal. This is the life that we all have to live. Friends, this Amrutanubhava, we have written it very exhaustively. Whether you study anything or not, take this and study page by page. See, your all life will completely merge in the divine. There are no problems. Why? Because you will not be influenced by the problems. Problems will come and go. And those who do not want problem, they are dead. Sign of life is, if you have got health issues in your body, congratulate, you are still alive. Dead bodies have no problem. Similarly, if you have no desires, you as a body is dead. Then Paramatma is expressing through you. So two things. Body must have some health issues. With that, our attachment to the body can be reduced to some extent. Otherwise, whole life, yoga people, we should be healthy. What will you do with the health? I always have fun when I look at it. Weightlifters. What for they lift? To put it down. And you will see all these people, how long they will be doing this thing. Maximum age is 24, 25. After that, some other fellow comes. Then he lives more than him. So he is outdated. And then his exercise stops. Then all the thigh muscles were migrated to the biceps. Now they start coming down. And then their Madhya Pradesh becomes... What kind of disgusting life? Therefore, चालणी आणि बैसक दोन्ही मिळवणी एक नो होय ऐसे कौतुक येठाई. Therefore, for the wise man, whether he is active or sitting quiet, whether he is getting involved or he is not getting involved, it is one and the same. Best example, when we play with the children. The child has an issue of victory and defeat. We elders don't have. Then why we are playing with that Rakshasa? Only for a time pass, nothing, no other purpose. See, friends, the more we become aware, these two eyes, experience giving birth to experiencer, samsara. experience not giving birth to the experiencer, Jivan Mukta. Arey yaar, it is so simple, yes. Then Swamiji, we are all Jivan Mukta, yes. Hearing is happening. Hearer is not born. See, friends. Therefore, चालणे आणि बैसक दोन्ही मिळून एक, whether moving or in one place. Now take a day-to-day example. How did you come to the ashram? Oh, I came by car. How? How means what? I sat in the car and the car moved. So, movement of the car brought me here, but what I was doing, I was simply sitting. Therefore, many people have got this funny thing. Swamiji, when you travel, don't you get that jet lag? Why should I get jet lag? Jet should get. I am happy. You will see these people who come from other countries as if they are obliging the whole world, you know. Yeah, I am coming from USA. 3 days I sleep. Don't get up at all. See, friends. Therefore, whenever we have that funny thing, we have that old built up. There's so many 3 days, 2 days, and there. So actually nothing happens, but only they built up that one. See, friends. Therefore, Chalane Baisaka ek hi hai. They are not different. And therefore, Jivan Mukta Purush is dynamically busy in this world and yet fully relaxed. Because nothing to do, nowhere to go. Life is just a time pass. Ye Ravi Adoraliya Dora, Shiva Darshanata Sohara, Bhogite, Bhalate Veda, Bhalte Pane, and therefore he is every moment in tune with the divine being. Can you imagine a wise man depressed and dejected? I want to commit suicide. Impossible. Like, can you see a married man happy? Impossible. Similarly, a wise man can never be depressed, dejected. You take the examples of any great masters. Ramakrishna Paramahansa, our Swami Vivekananda, or Raman Maharshi. They had problems. Can you imagine Raman Maharshi having this health issue and all that? Therefore, yeah, I don't know. I wanted to do good to the world, but no. Therefore, depression is a health issue. Dispassion is the wisdom issue. Result of wisdom is dispassion. Result of ill health is depression. Ill health of the mind. Therefore, for the wise man who is ever moment in his divine self, for him every place is okay. Everything is required. Friends, many people have got this funny notion that the child or the children should grow like a theoretical one. No. Remember one important principle of life. All kinds of experiences are required in life. थोड़े गम है, थोड़ी खुशियां, ये जीवन है. If you do not have problems in life, you are most unfortunate. See, friends, problems are necessary if you have a knife to be sharpened. No, but my knife is not from India. It is imported from Hong Kong. Okay. But now that also has to be sharpened. Yes. Then I will sharpen that knife on the slab of the butter. Butter slab. Can you sharpen it? You require a hard surface. Every difficulty in our life is a blessing in disguise. See, friends, it's very important. And therefore, he has never forsaken us. We have rejected him. ना समोर दिसे शिवुहि परी देखिले काही नाही देव भक्ता दोही एकची पाडू. See? Whether we go to the Shiva temple or not, it doesn't matter. Shiva has never forsaken us. We only doubt about him. What is the Shiva Linga? Somebody asked me in our Varanasi many years before. I say Shiva Linga is the form of the formless. Form of the formless. From the Shiva Linga, you can bring out anything. If it is a solid structure, like let us take Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Now, out of that complete picture, or the statue, or the Vigraha, Sri Krishna, you cannot bring out anything else. But Shiva Linga is ready to become anything. If you have seen in the pot makers, you know that wheel, how they fix this soil in a particular way, make a lump in the Shiva Linga, and then out of everything comes. One more experience I tell you, where I get all these things. There was one book in one library, and many years before, maybe 40 years before, and that book was so dilapidated. So I thought, why this book is kept here so dilapidated? It should be thrown. So I took it out. And I saw it was a holy book. Meaning, there were many holes. And then I started lifting the pages one by one. This is how I am learning, I tell you. Started. So a particular spot, there is no hole. So I opened one page, no hole. Second page, third page, a very small hole, just beginning of the hole. Then the fourth page, the hole is becoming a little bigger. Then fifth page, the hole is still becoming bigger. See? And ultimately, when the last page was opened, the hole was complete. That gave me the vision of Lord Shiva. Is it not Shiva Linga like this thing? Be attentive. Yesterday I told you. There cannot be a window without a wall. There cannot be a hole without a paper or a cloth. But the whole space is holy, emptiness. So what will be the hole in the emptiness? Presence. Shiva is that presence which is supporting all the emptiness. That is Shiva Linga. See? And then around us is emptiness. What we say? How many students are present? Present, not absent. So that which appears in the absence is the divine presence. Therefore, Bhagavan Shankaracharya writes, Deho devalaya proktaha, Dehi devo niranjanaha, Architaha sarva bhavena, Swanubhutya prakashate. Dehaha, the body, is devalaya, is an abode, a temple of God. And Dehi, the one expressing through that body, is Devaha, the divine Lord Shiva. And therefore, Architaha sarva bhavena, Therefore, let everything and being in this world be respected with reverence. This is the vision of the wise man. See, friends, we don't have to prove anything to anybody in this world. We are answerable only to our own conscience. Do we fall in respect for our own life, or do we become arrogant because of our life? See, friends. Therefore, na samoro diseshivohi. We don't see God in front because we are lost in the names and the forms. But behind every name and form, behind every shape, there is a space which has no shape. If there is no space, nothing can be contained. So, na samoro diseshivohi pari dekhile kahi nahi deva bhakta dohi ekashupahu. And therefore, this wise man has no difference between anything. Everything is the same divine. आपणची चेंडू सुटे मग आपणया उपटे तेडे उधळता दाटे आपणापाची. More than 700 years before, there were rubber balls. See? आपणची चेंडू सुट. Chendu means a rubber ball. When you throw a rubber ball from above, it falls and again jumps up. See? There may be cricket also that time. That one also will come. So, without anybody, the ball is going up and down. In the same manner, ऐसी जरी चेंडू फड़ी. चेंडू फड़ी cricket. ऐसी जरी चेंडू फड़ी देखीजे का एके वेळी तरी बोलीजे हे सरळी प्रबुद्धाची. And therefore, when the ball and the bat game is there, he will be able to know what is the meaning of a Jivan Mukta. See? So, we take the ball, tennis or table tennis and play. Who is destroyed? Nobody is destroyed. This is another thing I learned in somewhere I was watching the football match. Let us make a story. There was a huge crowd of football audience and a match was going on. This side, whatever number 7 or 8, this side so many. Maybe let's say 10 players. And they were playing football. And there was one sheikh from Middle East. He came. Poor Indians. They are fighting for one ball. He went out. Bought 20 footballs. He entered the football ground. Stop. Every stop. Right? Don't fight for one football. Take one and play. See? Now be attentive. What they are wanting? How many goals? After the match is over, somebody is hugging to that ball? No. They are only in the air. We got the goal. Where is the goal? Has the goal any shape, size, distance? See, friends, everywhere you get a divine message if you change your standpoint in life. See, friends, once you have this vision, thereafter, Jehi vidhi rakhe ram, tehi vidhi rahi. Don't make yourself miserable and don't try to make anybody happy. But this is wrong. We should make everybody happy. Has God made you happy? Oh. You, the miserable, can make others happy. And another important principle, we belong to democracy. Everybody has the right to be miserable. हम दुखी होंगे, क्या करना है कर लो. See, Maharaj, no wise man has ever made anybody happy. Those who have gone to him, they became happy. Where God has failed to make anybody happy, we can make others happy. Never try that. कर्माचा हातू न लगे ज्ञानाचेही काही न रिगे ऐसीची होत असे अंगे उपासती हे. What is the upasana? Is relax, effortless existence. What is the spiritual practice of the space? Supports everything, rejects nothing, reacts to nothing, and most important, retains nothing. Keep space as your ideal. See the life. Mind dissolves. When shapes and forms are seen, mind is created. And without the space, nothing can exist. Therefore, a real spiritual practice is remaining effortless, as much effortless as the space. And what is the secret of the space being effortless? Only wisdom. That which supports is never influenced by the supported. Like colors and forms are supported by the vision. Vision is not influenced by the colors and forms. If a girl is seen by the eyes, the vision doesn't become feminine. If the blue color is seen, the eyes don't become blue. So tell me what sadhana you want to do. कुछ करने भी नहीं देते, रोते रहो. Never struggle to prove anything to anybody in this world. But we have to give one writing every day. Honey, I love you. I love you. ये कल काम आएगा, रख देना. निपजे ना निमे अंगे अंग घुमे सुखा सुख उपमे देव वेलया. See, now this experience of the wise man is neither created nor destroyed. Like space is not created nor destroyed. All the creation and destruction is happening in the space, but space is neither created nor destroyed. Is it not? Do we have the experience that we have created the body? What is our contribution that our age is growing? What is lost when the body dies? Nothing. We are that conscious space. How many fingers? 4. If you want to see the space between the 2 fingers, what you have to do? Remain indifferent to the shapes. But normally what happens when I am looking at you, how many people are there? But the space which is supporting all of them is taken for granted. Without the space, nothing can exist. In the same manner, without being, nothing can be. And that is our essential nature. Therefore, this sukha sukha upame deva velayaya. So, this effortless being, effortless knowing is effortless bliss. Amrutanubhava. Wherever there are efforts, there is a struggle. Wherever there are efforts, there is a concern about victory or defeat. Wherever there is a struggle, there is a doubt about the success, how long it will continue. But in effortlessness, everything disappears. This effortless bliss is Amrutanubhava. We also have bliss. But in the process of bliss, we gather blisters. Bliss doesn't come. Therefore, sukha sukha upame devalaya. This bliss is of its own kind. It cannot be compared with anything. कोणीही एक अकृत्रिम भक्तीचे हे वर्म योग ज्ञान आदी विश्राम भूमिका आहे. कोणी एक अकृत्रिम. दिस इज द सिक्रेट. भक्तीचे हे वर्म. This is the secret of the devotion, which is akritrima. It is not a lot of paraphernalia around. Whenever we have to prove that I love you, it is fake. See, friends, love does not need any proof. The love of the mother for the child doesn't need any proof. But the love of the husband for the wife needs a proof. Because it is fake. See? Therefore, Koni eka akritrima bhaktiche he varma. Once in a while, once in a million, he knows the secret of this uncreated devotion. And therefore, yoga jnanadi vishrama bhumika hai. And therefore, all your struggle to do the upasana, to do the yoga, to do kurute Ganga Sagar Gamanam, do the japa and study and give lectures, all of them they end and the Jivan Mukta Purush discover fulfillment in life. When life is fulfilled, means what? Nothing to do, nowhere to go, na kuch pana, na kuch khona. But then, what about our country? क्या फर्क पड़ता है? There was one person from Canada. I had never seen him and her also. So, Swamiji, I have decided to sell off all my property and come to India and settle. I said, what is wrong over there? Be happy wherever you are. Now you are, must be old, therefore you are thinking of coming back to India. Yes. Then, again you will restart your life. Again the house, again the get the drapery, again the servant. What is this you are wasting your time? Wherever you are, be at peace and enjoy every moment. No, Swamiji, I already put it on sale and I have already got my house done. My uncle got it for me in Shimla and she came. After coming, the truth was revealed. The house where she was staying, it was not her house. All the money that was given by that lady to the uncle, he was Rakshasa, he ate away every dollar. Nothing in her name. Swamiji, what should I do? I said, don't come to me. Go anywhere. I told you very clearly. No, but he is my real uncle. Real is only God. There is nothing like uncle. What was wrong over there? You know, this is the tragedy of all the NRIs. This I learned from one boy in Newcastle in Australia. When I asked him, hey, tell me something, yaar, do you go to India? Yes, tell me something which I don't know. He said, very simple, Swamiji. When we are in India, we talk about Australia. When we are in Australia, we talk about India. What a disgusting life. Wherever you are, be happy. That's all. Enjoy cleaning the carpet. See? Wash the dishes. What is wrong in that? No. There is no, there are no opportunities in India. There is opportunity to clean the toilets. See, friends, Jivan Mukti is not changing the place. Jivan Mukti is not changing the situation. Wherever, whenever, whatever you are, be 100%. That is Jivan Mukti. Give it a try and be happy. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.